Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Cat Scrappiness, and I'm here today with the Stitched Foliage die set. This is in Cat's new release and it's a wonderful set of 5 leaves. I put the size of the tallest one here and also the shortest one just to give you a feel of the measurement. Good size though, great for all your card making needs and any other project. Mixed media too. This would be great on mixed media. And in each of the leaves, you see there's great stitching detail to represent like the center line of a leaf. Super, super cute. Cuts out well and layers up well. And let me show you an example. Here, I place the leaves in different orientation and put a word die on top. And that completes a quick fun card. Check out the link below for this wonderful set at Cat Scrappiness in her new release. Thank you. Bye.